Types of operating system. OS can be distributed among three types, or it can be classified among three types. First is user based, second is task based, and third is processor based. In user, again, OS can be classified into single user OS and multi user OS. OS can be classified according to task. For example, single task, that is one task, and n task, that is multiple tasks. OS can be distributed among processors as single processor, that is one processor, and multiprocessor also. Uniprocessor was the oldest system in which a single user can use one processor at a time. Multitasking OS. In multitasking OS, user can use multiple users can use same system and do n number of tasks with time sharing concept. Multi-user multitasking OS. In this OS, multiple users can perform n number of tasks with multiple processors running at the same time.